To transfer FLOKI from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Now to be able to do that, just make sure you are logged into your Binance account first. Now head over to wallet icon and click on spot. Now after that, click on withdraw. And now as you can see from here, search for the FLOKI token. Now after you find it, click on it. And now make sure you select the address, not Binance users. Now from the network, because the Phantom Wallet is only accept the Sol or Ethereum. For obvious part, just select the Ethereum. Now after that, go and click on Phantom Wallet and make sure you are logged into your accounts. Now after you log into your account, click on unlock. And after that, search for Ethereum as you can see. Now click on receive and copy the withdrawal address. Now go back to Binance. Now paste it. And now as you can see, you will be able to enter amount of FLOKI you want to transfer. And as they said, the amount of to redeem must be at least 70 or 73,000 FLOKI. Now make sure you enter much more than that. And now as you can see, this is the information of the transaction, and as you can see, you will receive this much of the FLOKI. Now if you are ready to go, just click on withdraw and you will be able to transfer FLOKI from Binance to Phantom Wallet on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.